Hello folks, today I'm back with my DIY red wine filtration system. As you can see there, I have turned these canister upside down, and hopefully this will reduce the air bubbles during the filtration. So basically the pump will pour the red wine through the pump and to this canister, first one on the right, then to the second one on the left, and we'll go to that bottle right there. Right now I have it down to this bucket because I have sanitized the system and rinsed it with water, and there's still some water left over in here, as you can see on this side. So I'm gonna start the pump and pour the wine through. And as soon as I see the red wine, no more water coming out, and the red wine coming out from to here, then I will stop the pump and put this into that empty carboy. All right, let's get started. Let's turn it on now. Through, and all right, sorry to mention that what I have in here is this one here is 1 micron, and this filter is 0.5 micron. Same as I did last time. So as you can see now, I got the red wine coming through here. So let's set this one into the bottle, just like that, and let's start it over again. Still bubble. Still bubble. I don't know, guys. It's still getting a lot of bubbles. Well, of course, at the end, I ran it to the end, so still bubbles coming through. And for the wine left over in the canister is less than when I have the canister upside down, but in terms of oxidation, bubbles inside the bottle, it seemed to be the same or even worse. So let me try another bottle. All right, so this is a second bottle I'm gonna be doing. So this time I'm gonna keep this bottle, filter bottle at the bottom, and see if that help with the reducing the bubbles, air bubbles. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm still getting a lot of bubbles, air bubbles inside my wine. Doesn't matter what configuration I have. Even I had this one upright before, and just the way the pump works. But one good thing about having this one upside down is that I don't have much red wine left over inside this canister. And plus, if I have the bottle lower than the system, and I can get all the wine drained out from the canister. So there's not much to waste inside here. Alright, I have switched back to my original design. So I prefer this way better because everything will be upright. Now at the end of the filtration, if I want to drain out the other wine from the canister, then I just have to turn it upside down. So I can turn it upside down like this to drain out the other wine from the canisters. Otherwise, because this configuration doesn't help with the air inside the system anyway. So if I have it this way, then if I unscrew the canister or the wire, the water in here will be spilling out everywhere, so it will make a mess. When I have it upright like this, and I can remove the canister, throw out the filter without making a mess everywhere. So I prefer it this way, at least, and it looks better, neater. That's my choice. If you guys would like the upside down configuration, go for it.